My dear viewers, welcome to a new episode of Busy Bee from Germany. Have you ever found a working Kissing Barbie for your collection, in your whole collecting life? Let me know in the comments below. I have never done so, that's why we have the topic, the weak mechanism of Kissing Barbie as a topic today. How does the mechanism work? Is it possible to repair it? And generally, how is this thing built? Let's explore this today in this little video. My dear viewers, have you ever asked yourself why there are almost never Kissing Barbies on the market that work? I mean, when you press the button on her back, you hear a sound. But somehow this does not seem to work in any way. So when you do it in the front, you hear the sound, but it does not work. So where's the problem? Well, I think the problem itself is the mechanism. I have taken apart a Kissing Barbie that I got many years ago. She was not perfect. You know, these bodies tend to have a very yellow breast part here over the breasts. Almost all dolls have this. When you ask me, I think it's a sulfur problem, sulfur and light, and that causes this discoloration. Not very beautiful, but extreme when you see other dolls. I don't really recommend you to do this because the plastic is thick, the plastic is heavy, and it's not easy to do this. I think I needed more than 2 hours to open the body itself, and the mechanism is not very complicated. It is simple. So you have here a piece of metal going down from the head to her, I think that's the tongue. So that's the artificial, strange looking head under her real Barbie head. So that's why she has this string in her neck here. That's because she had a kind of mask under it. Not very pretty. It works like this. When you push the button on her back, yes, the button, you move this metal thing. So this mouth part moves out when you push the button on her back. That's what the button at least does inside her body. I know it's a bit hard to demonstrate, but the mouth part should come out a little bit, and when you move it back, it goes in again. And the problem I found why mine was not kissing anymore, because this part here was broken. I had 2 metal pieces when I put the doll apart, and my idea to repair this finally after 2 or 3 years of having taken her apart is to use a ferrule used in the electrical industry with a special kind of crimpers used to put this around. In Germany we call this Adenhülse, and the idea is to keep the 2 pieces of metal together so then the mechanism could work again when I put her together again. I'm going to do this in the next weeks or month. I don't know how long this will take, but at first I have to glue the head back together, and then I have to test, because there was a little stopper here in this area, and now the stopper is gone, and I have to test if this thing works without the stopper too. So that's basically the function of the Kissing Barbie, which I wanted to explain you. That's why she often breaks. The mechanism itself is, in my opinion, somehow a good idea, but the creation is somehow a little bit weak. Is there a chance to repair it? I would definitely say yes. And please don't do it with your Kissing Barbie, because it's really a hell of work. And by the way, when I have taken a Barbie apart, I can at least show you the joints of a Superstar Barbie. These are the joints in Superstar Barbie arms. They belong in this arm here. And it's really hard to get these out. I have not found a proper method to do it in an easy way so that you have a reliable result, so that you don't hurt any part of the arm. You have no scratches, no tears, and this is what makes the arm movable inside the body. This is this joint. It's looking like this. So I hope I can put her together in the next weeks. Just wanted to give you an overview of what I have done and what I have learned in this repair so far, even if I needed more time than planned, but I don't give up my plans. Sometimes it lasts longer than planned, but I can continue to work on my plans. My dear viewers, I hope you have learned something in this video. Question of the day is: do you have found broken Kissing Barbie in your collection too? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this little video, please share, like and subscribe. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!